Welcome to this new meeting. Today, we will address the lower limb in supine position. This position allows us to work the tissue component in a very comfortable way. Above all, thinking about the previous structures which, in this position, will also appear stretched, and therefore this factor will help us in the treatment. We can start by treating in a general way the quadriceps muscle, we will work specifically between its bellies. By slightly unifying the position of the extremity, it is also possible to treat the adductor component, both with a more general work and with a more specific approach. Also, the insertions at the level of patella and at the level of Gerdy's tubercle are very important as the adductor tubercle. It is possible to approach the whole insertion component in a very comfortable way from this position. Then, we can continue with a work in a chain with the muscles of the leg. That is, helping us with this position of the foot on our thigh, we can go to relax anterior structures like the tibialis anterior.